Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our Philippine Cuisine Cooking Show. I'm Mariel.
And I'm Pino.
Today, we are going to cook a variation of one of our favorite Filipino dishes, the adobo.
Instead of the ordinary adobo we Filipinos love, we'll be cooking it Ilocano style.
So, let's begin.
First, the ingredients. 500 grams chicken cut into small pieces.
20 ml of cooking oil.
40 grams ginger mince.
30 grams of garlic minced.
30 grams onion mince.
1/4 cup of fish sauce.
Salt, pepper, vinegar to taste.
The procedure.
First, we heat the oil in the pan.
Next, we saute the garlic. Onion. And the ginger.
Next, we'll shake it. Then we put in the fish sauce and the pepper.
Mix and cover and then bring to a boil. Anyway, I think it's just about done. Let's check. Okay. Wow, looks good.
And the smell!
I think it's time to add the seasoning.
Okay, let's add the vinegar. And salt.
Let's cover it for about a couple of more minutes and then it's done.
Okay. There you go, adobong manok, Ilocano style.
Let's give it a taste. The chicken is just right.
It tastes good.
So, there you go. Our adobong manok Ilocano style.